Aptera Alpha. Introducing the Aptera Alpha, a groundbreaking solar electric vehicle that pushes the boundaries of sustainability and efficiency. This innovative vehicle harnesses solar energy to power your journeys. With up to 40 miles of daily solar-powered range, the need to charge frequently is greatly reduced. It's perfect for short trips and daily commutes powered entirely by the sun. The Aptera's aerodynamic design and lightweight composite body make it an ultra-efficient vehicle. It's 65% lighter than most electric cars, yet it's strong and safe. By using only 30% of the energy consumed by conventional electric and hybrid cars, the Aptera is one of the most energy-efficient vehicles on the market. One of its standout features is the 1,000-mile range on a single charge, making it ideal for long road trips. Paired with all-wheel drive, you'll get both efficiency and performance in one package. Safety hasn't been compromised either. The Aptera comes with a sturdy safety cell, designed to protect you on the road. Its unique three-wheel configuration reduces rolling resistance, enhancing both stability and efficiency. And with 32.5 cubic feet of storage space, you can easily fit all your essentials, whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or running errands. The Aptera Alpha is the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, eco-friendliness, and practical design, ideal for those who prioritize the planet without sacrificing performance or style. Begode Blitz. Introducing the Begode Blitz, an innovative electric unicycle designed for performance and agility. Priced at $3,199, this unicycle focuses on reducing weight without sacrificing power. Weighing just 79.1 pounds, it's 15.7 pounds lighter than its predecessor, the Master V4 model. Despite its lighter build, the Blitz packs serious power. It features a 3,200-watt motor, with a peak output of 8 kilowatts. This motor enables an impressive no-load spin rate of 93.2 miles per hour. Powering this beast is a 134-volt Samsung 50S battery with a capacity of 2,400 watt-hours. Supported by a Smart Battery Management System, BMS, the Blitz can charge rapidly at up to 20 amps, ensuring efficient energy usage and faster charging times. The electronics are state-of-the-art. It includes a next-generation controller with data logging and a brand new display. This gives riders detailed insights into their ride performance. For added comfort, the Blitz is equipped with a customizable suspension system. Thanks to the air-based DS200-65A shock, riders can adjust the suspension to fit their style. Whether you prefer smooth streets or rugged terrain, the Blitz has you covered. RRD Wing Foil Board. Elevate your wing foiling experience. The RRD Wing Foil Board is designed for wing foiling enthusiasts at any skill level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced rider, this board offers a smooth and thrilling ride. Its compact shape, with a rounded nose and squared-off tail, makes it super easy to maneuver and provides excellent stability on the water. Built with high volume and advanced materials, the RRD Wing Foil Board is perfect for catching waves or cruising effortlessly. It's lightweight and durable, making it easy to carry and handle, so you can focus on improving your skills and enjoying the experience. Whether you're looking to take on waves or glide across flat water, this board will help you fly above the surface with ease and confidence. Get ready to feel the excitement of wing foiling and discover a whole new level of water sports adventure with the RRD Wing Foil Board. Flux Primo. The Flux Primo electric dirt bike brings an exciting mix of power, agility, and advanced technology. It features a 7 kilowatt-hour swappable battery, giving you excellent range and power. Best of all, you can swap out the battery in less than a minute, ensuring you can keep riding without long charging times. Powered by a 450-volt system, the high RPM motor delivers 85 horsepower and a staggering 750 Nm of torque at the rear wheel. This bike is built for performance. Thanks to its 95% motor efficiency and advanced water cooling system, the Primo ensures top performance in any condition, from rough terrains to long rides. The bike also has a smart control system, which allows you to customize your ride settings through a smartphone. Built-in sensors like accelerometers, GPS, and gyros help enhance both performance and safety. With a low center of gravity, a lightweight aluminum frame, and premium suspension that includes KYB forks and an Öhlins TTX shock, The Flux Primo guarantees excellent handling and stability, no matter the terrain. The Flux Primo is designed to push the limits, giving riders a seamless, powerful experience on any off-road adventure. Podride, the future of commuting. Sick of traffic jams and getting drenched in bad weather? Introducing Podride, the revolutionary four-wheeled electric bike that combines the best of a car and a bike. It's designed to give you the comfort and protection of a car while being as agile and eco-friendly as a bicycle. Picture yourself gliding next to cars, sitting at a higher level for better visibility, all while enjoying a breeze through Podride's weatherproof shell. The electric motor and multiple gears make climbing hills a breeze, and the roomy cabin fits one adult, plus luggage or a passenger. Safety is a top priority with built-in headlights, indicators, and a strong braking system. With its ultra-low emissions, Podride makes your daily commute both easy and eco-friendly. At a price range of €2,000 to €3,000, it's an affordable and green choice for your everyday travel. Horizon Aircraft Cavorite X7. The Horizon Aircraft Cavorite X7 is a groundbreaking hybrid electric VTOL designed for future air mobility. It's built to carry one pilot and 6 passengers, making it ideal for regional travel. What sets this aircraft apart is its fan-in-wing system, which allows it to take off and land vertically. Once in the air, the pusher propeller takes over for smooth, efficient forward flight. The Cavorite X7 can reach an impressive top speed of 280 miles per hour, with a range of up to 500 miles. The aircraft is constructed from lightweight carbon fiber composite, ensuring durability without adding extra weight. The design features gull wing doors for easy entry, and the cockpit has a sliding canopy for a modern, sleek look. Safety is a top priority. The Cavorite X7 comes with a battery backup system, providing peace of mind in case of an emergency landing. Plus, it's versatile enough to take off from both traditional runways and in VTOL mode. This innovative aircraft has the potential to transform both urban and rural air travel, offering a fast and efficient solution for regional trips. The Horizon Aircraft Cavorite X7, redefining the future of air mobility. Maul M9-235. The Maul M9-235 is built for strength and performance. This aircraft has structural reinforcements in the wings, fuselage, and landing gear. These features ensure durability and reliability, especially for tough conditions. With a gross weight capacity of 2,800 pounds, it can carry 300 pounds more than the M7. This makes it perfect for transporting both passengers and cargo. The M9 offers a useful load of 1,100 pounds. Whether you're flying with 4 adults and 100 pounds of luggage or 2 adults and 250 pounds of gear, it can handle the weight with ease. In terms of range, the M9 can fly for up to 7 hours, making it great for long-distance trips. Its short takeoff distance of just 406 feet and a strong rate of climb at 1,500 feet per minute set it apart. This short takeoff and landing, STOL, capability is ideal for pilots looking for a versatile, reliable aircraft with long-range cruising ability. The Maule M9-235 is a top choice for cross-country adventures, offering both power and efficiency. Skobo Bro. The Skobo Bro is a groundbreaking electric wheelchair designed for more than just smooth surfaces. What sets it apart is its ability to navigate stairs autonomously. Thanks to its advanced track system, the wheelchair can easily climb curbs, single steps, and straight stairs, making previously challenging environments accessible. Operating on 2 wheels, the Skobo Bro moves effortlessly across different terrains. It doesn't require upper body strength to maintain stability, providing a seamless ride. A key feature is its height-adjustable seat, which can rise from 45 centimeters to 87 centimeters. This allows users to interact at eye level in a variety of settings, whether at home or out in public. Safety is a top priority. The Skobo Bro is equipped with sensors that detect the edges of stairs, preventing accidents. Additionally, an optional reversing camera provides extra security when backing up. Regular software updates keep the chair smart and running smoothly. With a range of 25 to 35 kilometers on a single charge and a top speed of 10 kilometers per hour, the Skobo Bro offers a perfect balance of performance and convenience. It's more than just a wheelchair, it's a tool for independence and mobility. SK Wheel 1 revolutionizing urban travel. Introducing the SK Wheel 1, the groundbreaking electric skis designed for urban explorers. Perfect for anyone who loves adventure in the city, these skis let you glide effortlessly on any surface, whether it's pavement, gravel, or even light snow. Powered by a robust 2,400 W output and boasting a 30-mile range, the SK Wheel 1 ensures you'll have the energy for both exciting rides and longer journeys. With a four-wheel drive system and a quick 2-hour charging time, these skis are ready for action whenever you are. Right now, you can get in on the action by pre-ordering them for $1,750. When they officially hit the market, they'll be priced at $2,625. Don't miss your chance to be among the first to experience this innovative blend of fun and practicality. The SK Wheel 1 is not just a mode of transportation. It's a whole new way to enjoy the city. Starr Bumble Bee 2. Meet the Starr Bumble Bee 2, the world's smallest biplane, designed by Robert H. Starr. This tiny aircraft was built to reclaim the record after the success of Starr's earlier model, the Bumblebee. Its compact design is truly unique. The biplane features negative staggered wings, which means the top wings are positioned slightly behind the bottom wings. These wings are cantilevered, meaning they don't need supporting struts, giving the plane a sleek look. The Bumblebee 2 was built with a lightweight but strong structure. It's made from welded steel tubing and plywood, materials chosen to make it both durable and light. At the heart of this small wonder is a Continental C85 engine. Despite its size, the Bumblebee 2 can reach an impressive top speed of 190 miles per hour. And it's not just fast. With a climb rate of 4,500 feet per minute, it can quickly gain altitude, making it a powerful little machine. The wings are fitted with flaps and ailerons. These features provide extra lift and allow the pilot to maneuver smoothly, even in tight spaces. The Starr Bumblebee 2 is not just an aircraft. It's a piece of aviation history, a marvel of engineering that shows how even the smallest planes can achieve big things. Tetra. Introducing the Tetra, a groundbreaking electric ATV that combines high performance with cutting-edge technology. Priced at $5,299, this electric scooter delivers an exciting ride experience. Powered by dual 1,500-watt motors, the Tetra reaches a peak power of 5,000 watts. This gives you an exhilarating top speed of 55 kilometers per hour, perfect for thrill seekers. It's equipped with a 60-volt, 60-amp-hour battery that can cover an impressive range of up to 200 kilometers on a single charge. The Tetra is designed for all types of terrain. It features spring suspension and 13-inch road tires, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Whether you're on the street or off-road, the ride quality is unmatched. Safety is a top priority with this ATV. It comes with 4 hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping power. The high-quality battery cells, sourced from Blade and SK Innovation, offer reliable safety and durability, so you can ride with confidence. FlyNow Ecopters. Introducing the FlyNow Ecopter, a revolutionary one-passenger electric helicopter built for urban air mobility. This sleek, cutting-edge vehicle features a carbon fiber composite fuselage, combining strength and lightness for optimal performance. The Ecopter has a maximum takeoff weight of 360 kilograms and can carry a payload of up to 120 kilograms. Powered by 4 electric motors and lithium-ion batteries, this vehicle is designed for efficiency and sustainability. There's also a future plan for hydrogen-electric models, pushing the boundaries of eco-friendly aviation. With its autopilot system, the Ecopter can cruise at speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour. It offers a range of 50 kilometers and a flight time of up to 30 minutes, making it ideal for short urban trips. The fixed skid landing gear and advanced design make it a major step forward for air taxi services. The FlyNow Ecopter is not just a concept, it's a glimpse into the future of urban transportation, offering a safe, fast, and environmentally friendly way to navigate cities from above. GFG Style Kangaroo, the future of hyper SUVs. The GFG Style Kangaroo is an electric hyper SUV that really turns heads. It's designed for thrill seekers with its two-seat setup, four-wheel drive, and four-wheel steering, allowing it to tackle any terrain and deliver an exhilarating drive. With a powerful 483 horsepower engine, this SUV isn't just about looks, it's built for performance. Created by renowned Italian designer Giorgetto Giugiaro and his son Fabrizio, the Kangaroo is a showcase of cutting-edge design. But it's not just about how it drives or looks, it's also a luxury statement. With a jaw-dropping price of $3 million, it's a rare find that only a few can own. The GFG Style Kangaroo is a peek into the future of high-end SUVs, combining the latest tech with exclusive luxury.